Oh, David, here. RJ, bike here. Come here, biking. Go biking. Come. Come here. Come here. RJ, come. Come. RJ, come. Biking properly. Wow, very good. Very good. Go biking, RJ, come. Oh, David, come. Walk na, walk. Walk, David. Oh, here, Candy. David, oh, here, oh. Here. Bitawan mo, te. Very good. Oh, here's the Mentos. Hindi mo kapiraso.
May kapalit eh.
Hindi mo kapiraso ulit. Kapiraso lang.
Ayan o. Yummy!
Bukas ulit. Pag nag-walking ulit. Oh, let's walk. Oh, come here, David. Oh, here.
David, go, mommy. Ay. Go na, mommy. Go na, mommy.
Oh, here. David. David, here.
Ay, balik. David, go, mommy.
Here.
Oh, Mentos. Mentos! Ang Mentos! Sa tubig ka kasi pumupunta eh. O, go, mami, get na. Get Mentos na. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go! Lasing! Isang bote ng beer.
Lasing ka na sa Mentos. Anong pachisit ka? Tabi. Medyo ko yung fish.
Tampa! Wala! Laliguan mo na? Uy! Pinitin ng balay ko!
Ayun, may sakit. May sakit si Michi. There is Michi. Kasain mo kasi. Paano mo kay Moki? Siya nagtatago eh. David. Come, David. David, come. Come here. Here.
Walk, walk. Go, mommy, go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Oh, come here. Come here. Very good. Oh, there, ate. There, ate.
Ah, ito. Mommy!
Here's the Mentos! Here's the Mentos!
Get Mentos.
Promise, you'll have the half na. Oh, here na. Here's na the Mentos. Here na the Mentos. Here na. Very good.
Wala, tinitingnan niya yung Mentos ko.
Oh, ito na. Yan na.
Open natin. Open.
Oh, say bye-bye na to Daddy
Bye-bye,
first.
Daddy.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye first. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Where's the dog? Dog? Dog. Wala sa Mentos ang focus. Bye, David. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayan na. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na, Mami. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's the dog? Where's the dog?
Dog. Ow.
Dog! Ow! 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 There's the dog! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Look.
There, oh! Dog, where's the dog? Where's the dog? Say dog. Where's the dog? Towel niyan. Yung mga towel ko,
Kainin ko na lang po.
yung towel ko mga masisira na, yun ang pantuyo mo.
Wala na yung ginamit na yung
Asan na?
Binigay mo sa akin ng mga sirang na towel. Di ba meron tayong may mga damit dito na ano? Oo, inaano na yun ni Maki.